And here, and today I received two things in the mail today from eBay, which are just my not flexible iPhone 8, 64 gigabytes, and then an Apple Watch Series 3, which is my new one. So, all right. Never open one else through. I have scissors, but I still let. Sorry. What you do is open the box. Hold on a minute. Let me opening this box first. Okay, now we're gonna open this one a little more. So, all right, now we're gonna. Oh, here comes items, and now here's the. Here. Oh, it did come with this is here's the phone itself, iPhone 8. So see, now here comes, you guys are gonna love this. Oh, can't be it. It comes with this actual cable. And here's the watch, everyone. The Series 3. And it also came for this something called Tech Replay. Thank you, company. So let's see if I can turn this bad boy on. Oh, I have to charge it. So then we're into. Now we're going to do this, which is my watch. Hold on a minute. And there it comes. Here comes my bands. Don't know what size it goes on. Looks very neat. This is it's called the Series 3. It is a Series 3, so what Apple version, so let me measure my other watch, see which band is this. I think it's that. So yeah, cable. Yes, so yes, So that's pretty much it, and and there you have it. So I will I'll so not maybe not it's not over yet. So I'll be turning them on. So I'll be right back after I turn them on. Alright, now I'm back again. See the watch, the phone is powered on. So I'm just going to put the watch together. Why I might pair this to earphone, which is which is this is my producer, my current phone. I might be have a pair of watch. And so I'm gonna put the bands right on top so I'll know where it goes. This one goes in the bottom. The watch looks okay, so I might get a case for this. Let's go on the side, the bottom. Alright, the top is on, and now let's do this part. Looks very good. Let's see if it turns on. Oh, I can use. Oh wait, I have to charge it first. See the snake thing, and let's see what this phone came with. So this is dark mode. Let's see what's in there. What's this? So let's go into it's on 13.3. Good jailbreak firmware. Check rain. We have to disable auto update. See there it is. So let's go. Here's the time format set to. Sorry, I'm curious because I'm burning a disk. So I can put the Wi-Fi in. Sharing. Hold on. Put my password. And checking for software update. I have to disable this. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to disable the OTA update. So Mac updates. Let's see what's in the health app. No. Let's go to sources. So yes, I might make a backup of this disk. So yeah. I'll be right back. And when the watch is all turned on. Alright, now I'm back. Again, seeing that the watch is all turned on, and now I'm ready to see it. See the phone's working very good. So everything's good to go. So yeah. So there you have it, everyone. So anyways, that's it for this video. If feel free to leave the So if you have any sections, please leave a comment down below in the section. So yeah. So I can't wait to use my watch, this watch for swimming stuff or things. I'll be wearing two watches. Yeah, and I wait to use this for some fun purposes like this. Yeah. So remember to rate, like, comment, share, subscribe, and bye.